Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to install canards on a GR Corolla. Now there's two ways. You can bolt them on if you're going to do track days, or you can stick them on for daily drive, and I'll show you how to do both. All right, before we get started, the first thing we're going to do is prep the car. So I've got some quick detail here. I'm just going to clean this section of the car because we'll be using tape and all sorts of things. So clean well, and we'll move on to the next step. Now we need to apply the template. So this template will help you locate the canards in the correct position. So you do want to spend a little bit of time in this to get it right. So the three main points is you want to locate it using this location here, down and bottom. And then if you get those 2 points correct, the front will line up, and I'll show you how to do that. So first thing you want to do is line this corner up so it's flush against the bumper to the fender and this line here. You don't want to go too far because that's too far. You want to line up just here so it's flush against the bottom of the bar. Come down to the bottom here, line up the corner, same thing, so it's flush. If you got those two correct, then this will also line up here. So I'll go ahead and do that with the help of some masking tape. I'll tape it to the car, double check my work, and then move to the next step. Now that the template's on, you need to decide if you want to either mechanically fix your canards on or just tape it on. So if you're looking to drill, then there are drill points here. So you want to drill them out now, and you want to use a 4.5mm drill bit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're taping only, then this is when you peel it off and then you stick the canard on, and that's the method we'll be going with today. So we're going with the tape only method now. So I'm not going to drill, I'm just going to peel out the cutout so we can locate the canards on. So I'll just quickly show you the entire kit. So our canard set comes in a few parts. So you've got your die plane, you've got your supports with the brackets, and then you've also got your hardware and tape for mounting options. So we're going to go with tape. But either way, I'm going to show you how to assemble the supports before we install it onto the car. So if you're looking to mount the supports using the nut and bolt option, so there's an extra step behind the supports. There are little marks to drill out the hole. So what you need to do first is to drill out the holes with a 4.5mm drill bit. If you're using tape only, you can skip this step. Okay, next you need to clip in your brackets. So what you need to do is have your support textured facing outwards. Grab your bracket, flip it around, and assemble it this way. You'll know you have it correct because there is a locating pin behind each one. So just do that 5 times. Okay, next is to apply the primer and the tape. So there's 2 sticks of primer. You want to use one for the canard and one for the car, so save that for later. The way this works is there's a glass tube in there, so you crack it, the primer will leak out, and you will apply primer on the surface of the canard support. Now that you've done that, you just need to apply the tape. Okay, now that we have our supports ready, next step is to clean the exposed surface with alcohol wipes. So just clean up in there, followed by more primer. Now the primer is really important because it promotes the bond between the paintwork and the part. So make sure you use this properly. Okay, now we're ready to stick on our supports. If you are using the nut and bolt method, at this point you'll have holes on the car and also holes on the support. When you're sticking this on, just make sure you don't stick onto the paperwork. And then press and hold for about 2 minutes. Okay, it's been a few minutes. Now I can remove the template off the car. Now we're ready to install the dive plane. So what you need is a 2.5mm Allen bit. The Allen key is part of the kit. What you want to do is install the bottom one first, because that way the top one doesn't get in the way. Screw it down. Top one, I like to do the middle, so that way you get its shape first and then you screw on the ends. And there you have it, Canards installed on the GR Corolla. So there are 2 ways to install it. We've chosen to tape it on only for this car for daily drive. So I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.